Heat has many faces. It flows, builds up, and generates growth. Above all, however, heat is human. Personal advice, therefore, is the basis for your success. We listen to you, and together we speak on your objectives. Thus, you will get tailor-made, holistic solutions. Perfect modules for your system, planned by specialists. We manufacture everything ourselves to guarantee highest quality. HTT products stand for longevity and know-how. We deliver and assemble your new plant in a very short time, all over the world. Our personnel will fit our products seamlessly into your sensitive process infrastructure. Once the plant has been assembled, your personal advisor will be available for you around the clock. With our support, you will completely benefit from your plant resources. Energy saving is one of the greatest challenges of our time. We at HTT take over responsibility and develop safe solutions for sustainability and progress. We are driven by engineering spirit and engagement. We have lived heat recovery for almost half a century. HTT, the energy performer.